Alright guys, so today we're checking out the Kobalt brand Packout set. It's only $179 right now, and so we're gonna dive in here and look at it. First thing I like is how wide that handle is, and it's got some grip. It's got some grip on there. Feels good, feels strong. It's got a step down there to get your leverage. I like that. You just push this button and the handle releases. We'll look in this top box. This one's zip tied. I don't want to break it. So it's waterproof. Gasketed lid. Got some parts organizers. Now to take these apart, you've got these little sliding clips here. So you slide that one out, slide that one out, and then you can take this off. Here's the second one. Second one is a little deeper, got a parts organizer. So yeah, you could essentially take this out on the job with you, put your little nuts and bolts and parts and pieces in there and carry it around. I like how deep that is. That's pretty nice. Again, that's gasketed. That's the second layer. So we'll lock it back. Oh, I like this fold-up handle too. That feels really good. Yeah, it feels nice. So then we'll take the second one off. Lift it out of the way. Now, I wonder what's down in this one. Alright. It's essentially the same as the second one, but deeper. So you've got another parts tray. And you've got a very deep box. I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. You've got a slot back there that you could put an organizer in here to separate stuff. You've got another slot on that side. Yeah, I like it. So we'll put our tray back in here. Lock this back. But what I really like is all of these have a spot right here for a lock, so you can lock them. Down here is a little slot, but the handles on the side of this big one are probably, that feels really good. I like that. Same on the other side. I like that. These beefy tires, these got a rubber tread. I like that a lot. Get pretty good traction, won't slide. Yeah, I'm actually impressed with this for $179. I don't think you can beat it. I really don't. So if you're debating on getting the rigid box or the DeWalt stack, I would definitely grab the Kobalt instead. This is, look at that. It's a nice set. So if any of y'all are looking for a cheaper version of the Packout, I believe Kobalt's the way to go. They're all waterproof. They stack up nice. And this handle on the back is very nice. Nice and wide. That feels good too. It's weighted right. Easy to work. So yeah, if you like this Kobalt Packout, head down to Lowe's, check it out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for our future videos, and have a great day.